Hello students, welcome back to our class. How are the things going on? Okay, very good. In the last class, we studied Buzz Fuzz the fly, Crunch Munch the mouse, Hopstop the frog, Fleet Feet the rabbit, and Fluffy Huffy the fox made the boat their home. Okay students, I hope you understood up till the story. Let's start today's lesson. Children, take page number 14 in your text. Look at the picture. What do you see? Right, a clay hut with a window. Can you see a wolf there? Okay, very good children. I am going to read the passage, Howly Prowly the Wolf. You listen to me carefully, okay? After a while, a wolf came strolling by and saw the hut. Oh, a little clay hut with a window. I wonder who lives here. Yo-ho, anyone inside? Here we are. Buzz Fuzz the fly, Crunch Munch the mouse, Hopstop the frog, Fleet Feet the rabbit, and Fluffy Huffy the fox. And who are you? Howly Prowly the wolf. Well, why don't you move in with us? So the wolf squeezed in and the six made the boat their home and lived there happily. Students, stroll means walk in a leisurely way and squeeze means get into a narrow space. Children, what's the wolf's name? Correct. The wolf's name is Howly Prowly. Children, who are the friends in the boat? Right. Buzz Fuzz the fly, Crunch Munch the mouse, Hopstop the frog, Fleet Feet the rabbit, Fluffy Huffy the fox, and Howly Prowly the wolf are the friends in the boat. Okay children, turn the next page. Read the title, Gumbly Grumbly the bear. One day, a bear came running up and saw the boat. He stopped and asked, Yo-ho, anyone inside? Here we are. Buzz Fuzz the fly, Crunch Munch the mouse, Hopstop the frog, Fleet Feet the rabbit, Fluffy Huffy the fox, and Howly Prowly the wolf. And who are you? I am Gumbly Grumbly the bear. I am Gumbly Grumbly the bear. You know me? If I hold you fast, you will breath your last. Ha ha ha. The friends inside the little clay hut laughed. Why are you laughing? I will smash your hut, the bear said, and he sat on the boat. But the boat did not break. Children, smash means break into pieces. I will destroy your hut. Then the bear tried to kick off the boat. Nothing happened. Only his legs tingled with pain. Kick off is a phrasal verb. It means to begin or to start. Tingle means to feel. Okay students, turn the next page. The house of love. The house did not break. Dear Gumbly Grumbly bear, you can't break this house because it is made of love. The friends laughed and said, and the bear went back to the forest. Children, why couldn't the bear break the clay hut? Correct. The bear couldn't break the clay hut because it was made of love. Buzz Fuzz the fly, Crunch Munch the mouse, Hopstop the frog, Fleet Feet the rabbit, Fluffy Huffy the fox, and Howly Prowly the wolf lived in that clay hut for many years, dancing and singing, chatting and playing. The six friends lived in the clay pot happily. Okay students, that's about today's class. Thank you.